Hi guys, it's Kate, and today I'll be giving the nursery and my dolls a glow up because some of them need it. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the dollhouse. So I'm probably gonna be changing this doll's name from Skylar to Savannah, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm just gonna be setting her here. So first I have a bunch of these stuffies on the bedroom, and I need to get the doll like somewhere else first. Yeah. Neither of them need to glow up. I might get Riley changed into a different outfit, but like yeah. First I'm gonna get put the dragon right there, and if I find that. Next, I'm gonna be putting the stuffies in, and I'm just like, like cleaning this. If you don't mind that, it's just gonna be falling a lot. There. It's like the little room that I don't know about, so yeah. Beanbag. Me and my friend, we wrecked this place. This dollhouse. Oh, there's a crane up there. It's good. The camera actually focused for once. Okay, so I'm just gonna this mess up. The hangers, the stuffy. Oh my god, it's like a piece out cut up there. The stuffy. Hold up, it's gonna be hard to make this bed one-handed. I really want a tripod. Oh my god, see that? I'm really trying, guys. Might have to like pause the video though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pause it. Sorry, guys. I think I did a pretty good job making the bed. Now for the kitchen. This is gonna be fun. First, we'll put the oven here. Big bottles out of the way. The refrigerator. Shut the fridge. Why won't Oh god. Hold up, I need to fix this off camera. Sorry I did not show that, but I was having a refrigerator crisis. And now I'm gonna fix up this table. Now I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna fix the dolls, but these two don't need fixing, so I'm just gonna put Riley up there, and Skylar can go in the secret room. I'm gonna move on to the where am I gonna actually? I'll do this table. Okay, so okay, I gave Sophie a glow up, so she doesn't need one, but she probably does. Okay, Hadley doesn't need one, but she definitely does. And I might do Pan, so yeah. Okay, so these. Okay, so I'm gonna put all of this in a different bowl. all of this liquid in a bowl real quick. So yeah. Okay, got all the liquid in here somehow, and now this is how I do it. So I'm just gonna throw it in my kitchen supply drawer. It doesn't matter where, but that's how I do it. The reason why I'm making this video is because I feel like some of the viewers are gonna find this kind of, satisfying. So yeah. Oof. Wait, was there like no, I don't think that there was, but maybe. Ignore the mess. But it's gonna look like this until I actually finish. Oh my god. Finish this. Okay. There. That's the last of that table. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm gonna start with here. Me and my friend have this thing called, I don't know if I can say the name. Yeah, and poop. And basically, yeah. This is the thing. Use for it. And yeah. I ripped this random piece of paper up to feed to this monster. And yeah. Ruby's probably gonna need a glow up as well. A small one. So yeah. Okay, that's kind of looking better. Like, not a whole lot, but yeah. Okay, anyway, it's probably about time that I start using my purple thing, so I'm gonna start putting dolls in it. But first I'm gonna do the school stuff. Tomorrow I might do like a video where like a doll, like I might do like a Baby Live fails a test video, but like that's just like a maybe. I might not even have time to do it, but I might. So yeah, no promises, but I might. Now that the bags are in school, I labeled these myself, by the way. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna be putting like the outfits in, and then after I'm done that, I'm gonna start the glow up section of the video, because I saw that you really liked the glow up that I did, like I think like maybe 2 days ago. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the glow up. I'm with Nora, and hold up. I have this detangling spray here, and flip her around, and I'm going to start spraying her. Remember, it's not as strong as the one that I put in Sophie's hair, because that one's like full of like actual detangler, and this is just full of water that is in a detangler bottle. So yeah, I don't know what hairbrush I'm gonna use. Have any hairbrushes? Oh my god, I don't know. Do I have? Okay, do I have hairbrush. Okay. I'm just looking for hairbrushes. I don't know. Let's see. There's some in here. No, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go look for one off camera for Nora. So yeah, find a good one, but this is going to have to do. So hold up. Oh my God. I have a pop socket stuff. It's not. I want to be able to see y'all, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay, what if I okay, that's a really bad angle, but don't come at me, please. And I'm probably gonna braid her hair. Her hair's gonna be disgusting either way because she's my first baby alive, if you don't know that. Fun fact of the day, she's my first baby alive. And she's gonna so her hair's gonna have to is gonna be like this for the rest of her life probably. So yeah, I'm gonna start oh no, that's not gonna happen. Sorry guys, unfortunately I don't think that I can actually braid her hair, but oh sorry guys. I'm gonna figure out what I can do. So yeah, hold up. Okay, so I'm back. I let the curiosity of me do this hairstyle on her, and I'm gonna get her into this outfit that they just have on hand. So yeah, hold up. I'm hoping you guys can see me. Well, at least see her. At least I'm hoping you can at least see Nora. Yeah, you can probably see her. There we go. So yeah, this is. Sorry about that. I found a really good angle somehow. That is gonna be how Nora is gonna have to look. So yeah. Now I am with my doll, Leah. Wait, no, I'm sorry. Not Leah, Lauren. I don't know why I said Leah. Yeah, I'm with my doll, Lauren. So I'm gonna find an outfit for her beforehand. So yeah, I'll be right back. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good week, even though the week kind of just started. Okay, I found it out. It's gonna be this unicorn outfit. So yeah, that doesn't matter right now though. So well, yeah. So what matters is I'm gonna be using the detangler water again. And hold up, I'm just gonna untie these hair ties. Oh my God. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray. There, now I'm gonna brush. Oh, sorry about that. Now I'm gonna brush. Her hair has such split ends. I might actually have to cut it eventually, but You know, I don't know. It depends. Okay, that's gonna be how it has to look. She didn't have much wrong with her. So, yeah, I'm just gonna get her, oh man. Oh, why does that keep falling? I am so sorry, guys. I feel like I'm ruining the whole video. So, yeah. Ooh. Okay, okay, so, anyway, I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna use, like, this tiny little thing to tie her hair. Yeah. Anyway, this is her final look. She looks okay. Anyway, moving on to the next doll. No last doll. Those are all the dolls I wanted to give a glow up. So, yeah. To the hard part, getting all the dolls dressed and into that purple compartment. I'm probably gonna end up doing this off camera, so yeah. To not have any technical difficulties, so yeah, I'm gonna do this off camera, so see you very soon. Sorry, the video and the other one like ended for some reason, so yeah, I finished that, and I just need to yeet this one because I don't use her. Only exception for dolls out is her, because I don't want like them, like, you know, yeah. I don't want her. She's like special to me, and she's not a baby alive, so she doesn't go in there. But like, I don't want to put her in, I don't want to lock her away in the Doom area, the Hall of Doom. So yeah, I'll probably do the rest off camera, but that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love y'all so much. I will see you in the next video, so goodbye.